you ready to transform your home with some incredible gadgets? Today, we have a lineup that will elevate your daily routines and add a touch of innovation to your life. Imagine a device that effortlessly tackles stubborn stains and hard-to-reach areas with just the flip of a switch. It features versatile brush heads, adjustable lengths, and a high-performance motor, making cleaning not only easy, but almost enjoyable. Intrigued? Keep watching until the end to discover which game-changing gadget this is. You won't want to miss it. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Transform your living space with the Govee Smart Wi-Fi LED strip lights. These versatile, easy-to-install lights can dramatically alter the ambiance of any room, adding a stylish flair with customizable lighting options. Govee's Smart Wi-Fi LED strip lights may not match the premium feel of higher-end models, but they offer solid performance at a more affordable price. The package includes LED strip, power adapter, control unit, and clips for securing the strip, making installation straightforward. Simply peel the adhesive backing, apply the strip to a clean, flat surface, and use the clips to reinforce corners. The strip can be cut to fit your needs, with designated sections ensuring a neat finish. However, cut sections cannot be reused. Designed for indoor use, the strip lacks protective covering for the LEDs, requiring careful placement to avoid damage. A standout feature is the control module, equipped with buttons for power, color cycling, and activating a music mode that syncs lights with sound via a built-in microphone. Note that the strip currently only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. The app boasts over 64 preset lighting scenes and options for creating custom effects, though some dynamic features are limited to the Govee app. The M1 model features addressable LEDs, allowing for dynamic lighting effects with 60 LEDs per meter, providing superior brightness compared to competitors. Ideal for accent lighting in various settings, it can be installed behind TVs, desks, or along staircases for functional and decorative illumination. Despite the app's cluttered interface and occasional connectivity issues, the extensive customization options and smart assistant integration make the Govee Smart Wi-Fi LED strip lights a worthwhile investment for adding a personalized touch to your home decor. Introducing the Shamrock Home Bamboo Couch Arm Table, a versatile and eco-friendly solution to enhance your lounging experience. Designed to clip effortlessly onto chair arms ranging from 3.5 to 14 inches wide, this table offers a stable and secure surface with its friction-generating rubber grips. When not in use, it folds into a compact 13.4 by 10.8 by 2-inch size, weighing only 3.1 pounds for easy storage and transport. This folding tray table is perfect for holding snacks, drinks, or even a regular-sized dinner plate, making it an ideal companion for movie nights or cozy moments. The Shamrock Home Couch Table features longer, wider legs and a wide profile hinge, ensuring stability and preventing slips. Made from 100% bamboo, this table is both durable and eco-friendly. It's designed for medium to wide couch arms, with a robust hinge and spring clamp that can grip arms up to 14 inches wide. The friction-generating rubber grips and extended legs provide a larger gripping surface than similar products, ensuring your items stay secure. Formerly known as SH Signature Home, Shamrock Home continues to provide the same great products under a new and improved brand. Experience the most stable wide arm table with Shamrock Home's durable and reliable bamboo couch table. Struggling to wake up in the morning? Introducing the USCCE Loud Dual Alarm Clock with Bed Shaker, the ultimate wake-up solution for heavy sleepers and those with hearing loss. This compact yet powerful alarm clock features a 3-level adjustable bed shaker and the option to combine vibrations with a choice of alarm sounds, including a buzzer, bird, or music. Setting up this alarm clock is intuitive and simple. With clearly labeled buttons and separate functions, you can easily set the time and alarm by turning the 2 ears on the clock. The dual alarm feature is perfect for couples with different schedules, and the snooze button offers an extra 9 minutes of sleep. The clock includes a dial-controlled brightness adjustment, allowing you to set the display from 0 to 100% brightness to suit your preference. A USB port at the back lets you charge your mobile device overnight. While the clock is AC powered, it also has a battery backup option using 2 AAA batteries to ensure your settings and alarms remain intact during power outages. For those who need a strong wake-up call, the adjustable shaker can be placed under your pillow or mattress. It's designed to be a discreet yet effective solution for waking up without disturbing others. The clock's compact size of 13.75 inches by 9.5 inches and foldable design make it easy to store when not in use. Experience a reliable and customizable wake-up call with the USCCE Loud Dual Alarm Clock with Bed Shaker. Experience fresh, clean air with the O3 Ozone Generator Air Purifier. This compact USB rechargeable device is an economical and eco-friendly choice, eliminating the need for consumables or filter replacements. Ideal for deodorizing refrigerators, it efficiently circulates active oxygen to remove and absorb odors, leaving your fridge smelling clean in just a few hours. Weighing only 110 grams, it is perfect for both home and travel. The O3 Ozone generator is easy to operate with a single button, offering two modes: Standard mode with a 30-day battery life, and Strong mode with a 72-hour battery life. Its multifunctional design makes it effective in reducing unpleasant odors in various closed environments such as freezers, shoe cabinets, cars, and pet rooms, while also extending the shelf life of food. Inspired by the natural purification power of thunderstorms, the O3 Pure is one of the most advanced air purification devices available. Capable of purifying areas up to 4,000 square feet, it eliminates odors from mold, fumes, and toxins. Utilizing 7 methods of purification, including a cleanable HEPA filtration system, activated charcoal filter, and hydroperoxide generation, it alleviates allergies caused by smoke, dust, and mildew odors. Enjoy the invigorating freshness of post-thunderstorm air every day with the O3 Pure. Say goodbye to cluttered laundry rooms with the Retractable Clothesline, a practical and durable solution for all your laundry needs. This space-saving device is designed for easy installation and versatile use, both indoors and outdoors. Made from high-quality aluminum and stainless steel, it is wear-resistant and rust-proof, ensuring longevity and reliability. The clothesline extends up to 13.8 feet and can be locked at any desired length, supporting a maximum load of 25 kilos. Its compact design allows it to be effortlessly retracted when not in use, saving valuable space. Installation is straightforward, requiring only screws to mount it on the wall, and it boasts a strong load-bearing capacity, so you can hang your clothes without worry. Ideal for hanging towels, cloth diapers, underwear, socks, and swimsuits, the retractable clothesline offers a simple and efficient way to manage your laundry. Available in white and black, it seamlessly fits into any space, providing extra room without the need for a permanent clothesline. Simplify your life with this versatile, easy-to-use clothesline, perfect for spaces with limited room. Experience the convenience and practicality of the retractable clothesline today. Discover the versatile, retractable clothesline, the perfect space-saving solution for your laundry needs. Stay tuned for more innovative gadgets coming your way, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to stay updated on our latest home solutions. Upgrade your bathroom with the automatic induction toilet paper holder, a sleek, hands-free solution that combines modern design with ultimate convenience for your bathroom needs. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, this holder boasts a high-toughness telescopic rod, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. Its compact design belies its spacious capacity, capable of accommodating paper rolls up to 20 centimeters in diameter. This makes it perfect for various paper products, offering both functionality and a modern touch to your bathroom decor. The standout feature of this holder is its intelligent induction technology. With a sensor range of 10 centimeters, it automatically dispenses paper when your hand approaches, providing a hands-free and hygienic experience. The amount of paper dispensed is adjustable based on the paper roll's diameter, giving you control over the paper length with ease. The one-button cover design simplifies the process of changing rolls. Just press to open, replace the roll, and press again to close. This user-friendly mechanism ensures a seamless experience for all users. Wall-mounted for space efficiency, the automatic induction toilet paper holder not only saves floor space, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your bathroom. Its robust construction is designed to withstand daily use, ensuring excellent value for money. In a busy kitchen, hand-grinding spices can be a chore. As such, the electric salt and pepper grinder is a game-changer that makes seasoning effortless. With a gravity sensor, just flip it upside down, and it automatically grinds your spices. You can easily adjust the grind size from coarse to fine to suit any dish, whether it's a salad or a stew. Powered by batteries, these grinders shine a blue light on your food as they work, letting you see exactly how much seasoning you're adding. The transparent design shows you when it's time to refill, eliminating guesswork. Loved by thousands of users, these grinders offer the convenience of one-handed operation, ideal for multitasking in the kitchen. Perfect for pepper, salt, and other spices. These durable grinders are made from high-quality materials that ensure longevity. Easy to clean and maintain, they feature a non-corrosive ceramic core that preserves the true flavor of your spices. Upgrade your cooking experience with these stylish, efficient, and practical salt and pepper grinders. Revolutionize your laundry routine with the electric clothes dryer with remote control. This multifunctional dryer enhances efficiency, perfect for small apartments, vacations, or camping. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to move around, making it a lifesaver for busy schedules. Equipped with UV blue light, it revitalizes your clothes, ensuring impeccable cleanliness. The built-in timer and silent operation allow you to set the desired drying duration, making it convenient and user-friendly. Its energy-efficient design consumes less power than traditional dryers, saving on electricity bills. Control the dryer effortlessly with the remote control or microcomputer. It uses PTC heating technology for gentle and even heat distribution, and features power-off protection for safety. With a capacity of 5 to 10 kilograms, it offers effective drying technology and versatile use as a floor machine or home cabinet. Upgrade your home with the mobile roller bracket, a versatile and essential tool for moving and stabilizing heavy appliances like washing machines and refrigerators. Designed with an upgraded version featuring 24 wheels, this bracket offers enhanced stability through increased contact surfaces. The adjustable base allows for easy customization to fit various appliance sizes, making it suitable for a range of household items. Its non-slip pads ensure that your appliances remain securely in place, preventing any unwanted movement or skidding during operation. Constructed from durable plastic and metal, the mobile roller bracket is built to last, providing long-term support and reliability. The raised base design not only adds stability, but also creates additional storage space underneath your appliances, optimizing the use of your floor area. This feature is particularly beneficial for small kitchens or bathrooms where space is at a premium. The bracket's brake device allows you to lock your appliances in place with a simple step, ensuring they stay fixed and stable during use. Easy to assemble, this mobile roller bracket simplifies the process of moving and installing heavy appliances, saving you time and effort. Its shock-proof and silent operation makes it ideal for handling large, heavy items without causing noise or disturbance. Whether you're rearranging your kitchen, performing housework, or simply need a more convenient way to manage your appliances, the mobile roller bracket offers a practical and efficient solution. Tired of scrubbing stubborn stains by hand? Meet the Leebein electric spin scrubber, the device we introduced to you earlier. This gadget is a powerful cleaning tool designed to make your chores effortless. Featuring 8 versatile brush heads, this scrubber tackles everything from tiles and grout to windows and even car polishing. Its adjustable length ranges from 12 to 54 inches, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas without bending or kneeling. Equipped with a high-performance motor, the Leebein scrubber offers 2 speeds of 300 revolutions per minute and 400 revolutions per minute, and is powered by a rechargeable battery, providing up to 90 minutes of use after just 3 hours of charging. The IPX7 waterproof design ensures durability, and the Type-C fast charging technology and battery level display add to its convenience. This scrubber is built to last with its high-end material. The easy-to-use remote control and adjustable angles make it a versatile tool for deep cleaning your home. Experience the future of cleaning with the Leebein electric spin scrubber and enjoy a spotless home with minimal effort. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around for this video. If you found this helpful or entertaining, subscribing to the channel is a fantastic way to stay in the loop. I'm constantly creating new content, and I'd love for you to be a part of the community. Stay tuned for more exciting techs, like a remarkable lifelike remote-controlled gadget that is designed to surprise and entertain by mimicking the features of a reptile. Don't miss this out, and see you in the next video.